So today we will understand about row number function, dense rank function and rank function. So let's understand the data first. So in this student score table we have student ID, student name and score. So let's apply the row number function first. Select star row number over order by score as row number from this student score table. So let's run this. So now you can see we are using order by score. That means we are sorting this score by lower to higher, and after that we are applying this row number function and we are creating one row num variable. So we have this variable here. It is basically creating series wise numbers because we have used order by score. So lower score will get the rank 1, then after 70 we have 80 which is higher than this, so this will get the rank 2, and after 80 we have 85, so this will get the rank as 3. So this is how this row number function is creating this row number variable. And also if you want to create the same row number variable in descending order by score, so we can also do this by passing DESC here. So let's run this again. So now you can see 95 is the score which is the highest. So that is why it is giving this as row number 1. And likewise it is keep creating these numbers for each row. So this is how this row number works. So now let's see dense rank function. So syntax wise there is only one difference. We have to use dense rank over order by score, and let's do this by descending as dense rank. Let's run this. So now we have this dense rank column, and if you can see Alice and Charlie, these two students has the same score which is 95, so that is why this dense rank is giving the rank as 1, and where this Bob, Eva and Laila has 85 score, so that is why we are getting this rank as 2. And after that we have David and Frank, and they have marks as 80 and 70, so that is why they are getting 3 and 4. Now let's see the rank function. So we are using rank over order by score descending, and we are saying this as rank. Now let's run this. So now we have this rank variable, and because we have Alice and Charlie's marks as 95, this rank function is giving them as rank 1. And after that Bob, Eva and Leila has marks 85, so this is giving them as rank 3. Instead of giving rank 2, this is giving them as rank 3 because after 1 we have one more row which is getting skipped, right? So that is why instead of 2 we are getting 3 as rank for these 3 columns. After that we are getting 6. The reason is because after 3 we are skipping 4, we are skipping 5, and then we are getting this rank as 6. So that is why we have this 6 here. So this is how this rank function assign value. So the difference between these three function is, so row number assign values sequentially, row wise. The dense rank function also assigns value sequentially, but it assigns same value to the same score marks. Suppose if we are using order by score, that means if suppose any score has the same marks, then it will assign the same rank. And also it follows sequential order. For example, if we are getting 1 for this first 2 rows, then for the next we are getting 2. In the rank function we are skipping some values. These 2 rows are getting rank 1, so next we'll get rank 3. The reason is because we have 2 rows for rank 1, so instead of rank 2 it is assigning rank 3. Now let's try to understand more about these functions. So we have this data set, and again we have this student details, and also we have one more new variable which is class. That means from first till 6th all these student belongs to class A. and from 7th till 10th all this student belongs to class B. Now if we want to use rank, dense rank, row number for each class sorted by scores, then we can also do this. Select star, comma, row number over partition by, because we want to assign ranks separately for each class by class, so that is why we are using partition by class, order by score, and we are saying this as row num from this table. Now let's run this, and let's do one more thing. Let's order this by descending. Now let's run this. So now you can see for this class A, this row number function is assigning the sequential number, but when we have this class B details, again this is starting this row number from 1. So this is how we can use the partition by. Now let's understand the dense rank function. Dense rank, and we can name this as dense rank. Now let's run this. So you can see now we have one more column called dense rank, and if we look into this class A details, first this class A details are getting sorted by these scores. That means higher marks are coming on the top, whereas lower marks are at the bottom. And after that, using this dense rank function, we are assigning these values. So if you can see these first two rows, the score marks is 95, so that is why we are getting 1. For these two records, the marks are same, so dense rank function is giving them rank as 2. And again, when we have the starting of class B, it is this dense rank function is starting from 1. The reason is because we have used partition by class. Now let's try to write the code for rank function. Let's run this. So we have this rank variable, and in this, if we look for this class A details, these two marks were same, so that is why we have 1 here, and these two marks are same, so instead of 2 we are getting 3, because we are skipping one row. Instead of 2 we have 3. Again, when we have this B class details, it started assigning rank from value 1 instead of 7. So this is the difference between rank, dense rank, and row number function. So going forward, I will be posting few more SQL related conceptual video. So please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.